had a wonderful weekend. Let me thank the Motor Club DARDON-GUEUGNON, the French Federation, and the FIM by giving a hip hip hooray. Let's say hip hip! Hooray! Hip hip!
Well, I have them. Number 86 is in the lead. Number 88, Luka Midas from Slovenia. Luka Midas from Slovenia is the leader ahead of a French rider. And there is Jönsson from Sweden is with them. Young Mr. Jönsson from Sweden is with them as they come up to the hill now. And we almost can have them out of visibility. There's one crasher. The red cross is there already. So it's the Slovenian rider in the lead. Left Wade who comes up first here at the big table here at the back side of the track. There are the riders coming up in the 65, you know, 4 riders go over now, and still the Slovenian leader, and the French having some trouble, so there comes another French rider now. It's Jönsson in 4th place, 88 is in the lead, so Midas in the lead, 111 in 2nd place. In 3rd position over that, 2 riders, Nick Wilson, and now they are sizing about.
It's gonna stop me towards you. Well, I need to stray away from this life. Yeah, I need to say right. I need you to say no, so I can falter. I need you to stay strong. It's killing me. I'll be kissing the air. And when I do, with you I will say yeah.
Avec les couleurs orange traditionnelles, même s'ils ont connu quelques déboires hier lors de la séance de qualification. Championnat du monde de 65 cm, tout simplement la première manche de ce début de journée. Autant vous dire que les...
and cares and driven for you. You are my world and the light I see. Yeah, I bring this thing broken and the ground is changed for you. I'm falling. It's moving emotion and dollars in my mind. I ain't everywhere for you. I'm striving. Give me all my blood, my sweat and my tears. Rising and feeling. I drink the tempest, my dreams and the scars. My years, you will be mine. You will be
Slovenia, Tim guys are from Slovenia.
by my way. You are stronger, you share my pain. You're distant, you're all that I see. When you're one with me, I am complete. Breaking, you're rising up by my way. You are stronger, you share my pain. You're the distance, you're all that I seek. For when you are with me, I am complete.
Mr. World Champion, can you cry?
No, I don't cry because next year is another one World Championship, and I hope next year is my good year for World Championship.
Hope so.